Well, if you cannot remember what you were doing 21 years ago today, I'm going to give you a little refresher here. We had a record snowfall. An intense low pressure system really brought 20 inches of snow to our area. Take a look at this video. Got decks covered in it. Make sure you watch CBS 17 tonight because Bill Ray and Laura Smith are going to explain why this storm was such a surprise to a lot of folks in our area and what lessons we've learned since 21 years ago that we can prevent a surprise of this magnitude, Bill Ray, from happening again.
Well, you know, and what we'll talk about tonight, too, is the last time we had a snow even close to that was like in the early 1900s, so we had to go like 80 years. So maybe we can wait 80 years before we get anything like that again.